You must focus first and foremost on the precise and concise approach, which is very much required. So please, while answering your questions that are given in the question paper also, I would suggest you all to be very particular, to adhere to the prescribed word limit that is given in the question paper. As you know that literature segment, which comprises the maximum marks in the question paper, it's of 40 marks. So I would advise you focus your minds on the hotspots, on the crucial details of the chapters, which you may underline while going through each and every line. Do read the entire chapter, go through each and every crucial point and jot that down in the separate English copy. And then you can also remember the poet's name or the writer's name, which you can include in your long answers for giving an impactful impression upon the examination, which will undoubtedly fetch you very good marks. Format of the letter writing, format of the analytical paragraph, where you need to be analytical, you need to be critical, and you need to be at the same time be very, very precise is at most important, children. Do not scribble, avoid cutting here and there. Just give it a thought, be very, very reflective and thoughtful while penning down your views and opinions. And specifically, be it analytical paragraph or your letter writing, you need to take stand for one POV, one point of view. Nowadays, you know that in analytical, there are questions based on SWOTs. SWOTs, I hope you are aware, they are based on strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, obstacles, and all. So please take stand for one of them. Please don't be neutral and conclude your paragraph or your opinion or your point of view in a logical and rational way.